Hello store owners. Today I'll show you how to edit your wholesale registration form. The form new wholesale customers fill out when they sign up. You get to choose which fields appear, and you can even add your own custom fields. Let's dive in, starting right here on my shop. First, let's hop into the back end. I'll open up my wholesale suite settings, switch over to the wholesale lead capture tab, and then click into the registration form section. This is the registration form editor. If I scroll down, I can see all the built-in fields, things like first name, email, and company name. For any of these, I just click the little edit pencil to change whether the field is required, enabled, or shown at checkout. Now let's add our own custom field. I'll scroll back up and type a field name. Let's call it business type. Next, I'll give it a unique field ID, business type, and I'll leave the field type set to text. I'll tick enabled so it shows on the form, then click add custom field. And just like that, business type shows up in my fields list, ready to collect information from new wholesale customers. I'll hit save changes to keep everything in place. Now let's see it live on the actual registration form. Here's my wholesale registration form, exactly as a brand new customer sees it. And there it is, my new business type field sitting right at the top of the form, ready to collect their details. That's how you customize your wholesale registration form. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.